So this is a limiting reactant problem. You know that because you're given quantities of each of the reactants. And so there are a number of ways to find limiting reactant. For this problem, it's going to be convenient to ask the question, which reactant will make the least amount of product? Will 0.092 moles of iron make the least amount of product, or will 0.158 moles of copper sulfate make the least amount of product? So I'm going to make two calculations to see which one makes the fewest moles of copper. So 0.092 moles of iron will make 0.138 moles of copper, and 0.158 moles of copper sulfate will make 0.158 moles of copper. Now I chose copper because the problem ultimately is asking how many moles of copper will be formed. So I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone here. So remember, I'm answering the question right now, which reactant, 0.092 moles of iron or 0.158 moles of copper 2 sulfate, will make the least amount of copper? Well, now that I've done the calculation, it's pretty easy to see that it was the 0.092 moles of iron, and so that's the limiting reactant, and the amount of copper made is 0.138 moles of copper.